After this video, you'll learn how to set up join to create voice channels on your Discord server using the VoiceMaster bot. I'll show you how to fully customize it, set user limits, lock the channel, rename it, give access to friends, and even claim ownership if someone leaves. Let's get started. First things first, let's bring the bot into your server. Head to the link in the description and click Invite Now. Choose the server you want to set this up in and accept all permissions. VoiceMaster needs full access to manage channels and users. Once the bot is in your server, go to your server settings and then go to roles. Find the VoiceMaster role and give it administrator permissions under the Permissions tab. This makes sure the bot can create and manage voice channels without any issues. Hit Save Changes and you're good to go. Now here's where the magic happens. In any text channel, type the command /setupDefault. You'll be asked whether you want users to be able to edit their temporary voice channels or not. If you say true to this, users will be able to rename the channel, set limits, and invite or kick people. However, if you say false, they'll still get a private channel but won't be able to modify anything. Choose what suits your server best. For this tutorial, I'm going with true. Hit enter and the bot will instantly create a join to create voice channel for you. You can now move this new voice channel into any category in your server and rename it to whatever fits your style best, like Create VC, Plus VC, or Private Call. Don't worry, changing the name or the position won't break the bot. Now let's try it out. When someone joins the Join to Create voice channel, VoiceMaster will instantly create a new temporary voice channel just for them and move them into it. VoiceMaster will post a message with drop-down menus for settings that allow you to control the temporary voice channel. Permit allows specific users access while locking the rest out. Reject instantly kicks someone from the voice chat and prevents rejoining. Claim, if the owner of the channel leaves, you can take ownership of the temporary channel. Rename the channel allows you to change the name of the private channel. Set user limits allows you to cap how many people can join. Change status allows you to put a status on the channel to display to others. Lock, of course, stops others from joining, and unlock makes it public again. Once everyone leaves the voice channel, it will automatically delete itself. No clutter, no extra cleanup. It's like the channel never existed. Now that your setup is working, let's talk about logging. VoiceMaster can keep track of everything: channel creation, edits, user actions, if you enable logging. Here's how to turn it on. First, create a text channel titled whatever you want. I'm going to go with logs. Then type the command /set log channel, then the channel you've just created. Next, enable logging on your server. /toggle feature logs toggle and put that as true. Once set, VoiceMaster will post logs every time someone renames a channel, locks it, sets a limit, permits or rejects users, or claims a channel. This is especially useful if you're running a busy or public server and want to monitor activity. You might notice some features marked in yellow. Those features are premium. For most users, the free version has everything you'll need. But if you're managing a large community or want deeper customization, consider checking them out. And that's it. You've now got a clean, professional join to create voice system on your Discord server with VoiceMaster, complete with customization and logging. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more Discord tutorials.